Looking at our study guide in the reflections on the coordinate plane, which is what we're going to be working with right now, here's our example. Our original quadrilateral has this vertices, and we want to find the image under reflection in the x-axis. If we look back at our notes, reflections in the x-axis just change the y-coordinate. All we do is change the sign. So if D was at -2, 3, D prime should be found at -2, -3. Okay? So we found new coordinates for each vertex, and we graphed both of them. Okay? We'll be doing that in these next examples. I would like to look first at example number 2. Example number 2 is combining what we had done in the construction, reflection construction, where we had our compass and protractor, with using the coordinates. So the first thing we need to do, and I hope you have some different colored pens or pencils with you today, we want to graph this line, y = 1. Where is that line? If I start here at the origin, where do I need to go to make y = 1? And you go up? How many? 1. And then what kind of line do I draw? Do I go slanty this way? Do I go straight up and down? I go side to side, horizontal, because everything on this line has a y value of 1. Very nice, thank you. If you use your protractors, your line comes out straight. Just saying. I'm going to label that line. All right, there we are. Now I need to figure out how far away each point is from that orange line, the line of reflection. So starting with H, how far away am I from the line of reflection? 1, 2, 3. So I need to go 3 more units out to find H prime. So from there, I'm going to count again. 1, 2, 3. And so H prime is right there. I'm going to repeat for all of my vertices. How far is G from my line of reflection? 1, 2, 3. And so to find G prime, I need to go 3 more across the line of reflection. 1, 2, 3. And so G prime is found right there. Last but not least, F. How far away is F from the line of reflection?
4.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so to find F prime, I need to go 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so F prime is found there. Whoops, F prime. Just like with all my other transformations so far, I need to connect the points in order to move the entire figure and not just the vertices. And so I will use my straight edge to connect them in the same order they were connected in the pre-image. F prime, H prime, G prime, H prime, and G prime, F prime. I'm going to highly recommend you use different colors on these ones because if you notice the directions, you've got 2 different reflections to draw for this one item, and I don't want you to get confused as to which line you're looking at. So I will recommend that you color code. You don't have to if you don't want to. It's just a recommendation.